Welcome to DelftStack. Today, we will learn how to fix a stretch screen in Windows 11. If your screen looks wider or taller than usual, or things seem distorted, this video will show you how to fix it quickly. First, go to your desktop and right-click anywhere on the empty space. From the menu that appears, select Display Settings. In the Display Settings window, look for the section called Display Resolution. Make sure it is set to the option marked as recommended. This is usually the resolution that fits your screen perfectly. Next, check the scale setting. This controls the size of text, apps, and other items on your screen. Make sure it is set to the recommended percentage, which is usually 100%. Also, check the orientation option. It should be set to landscape. If it is set to portrait or any other option, your screen may appear stretched or rotated. If your screen still looks stretched after changing these settings, the problem might be with your graphics driver. To update it, open Device Manager by searching for it in the Start menu. In Device Manager, expand the Display Adapters section, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for updated drivers. Another way to fix driver issues is to check for optional updates in Windows Update. Open Settings, go to Windows Update and look for optional updates. Install any graphics or display updates you find there. Following these steps should fix any stretch screen issues on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.